Morning students, I am Snigdha Mahanti. I teach English in Vivekananda Public School. Let us people start our English literature book, chapter 8. Topic is your The Hungry Vacuum Cleaner. In the previous class we complete our summary part. Today we will do our book work. So all of you take out your English literature book, open page number 50. All of you open page number 50. Today we will do our bookwork A. Replace the following pictures with words from the story. Okay, here pictures are here according after the word. That pictures we will see and write the name of the pictures. Okay, replace the following pictures with words means here see here pictures is here. After that picture in the right side we will write the picture's name according to the sentence. So let us start. All of you open your literature book page number 50. Okay, now Cleany was a dash. Now see the picture students. What Cleany was? Cleany was a vacuum cleaner. Write it. VACUUMCLEANER. Vacuum cleaner. Okay, come to second line. He wanted the children to spill cornflakes on the dash. He wanted to spill cornflakes on the dash. Here see the pictures. What type of pictures is here? Yes, this is your carpet. CARPET, carpet. Okay students, next line. He wanted daddy to drop pins and dash. He wanted to dash to drops on the floor. Okay, wanted dash pins. After that the finger. In the finger what it show? It nails. NAILS, nails on the floor. Next, he wanted the dash to tear up all dash. See the picture. What is the picture is here? He wanted the dash. Who will tear? Dog. DOG, dog. To tear up all the dash. What the dog will tear? Yes, the picture is your what? Pillow. 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 Okay. Next. In Tara's room, Cleany gobbled off a heap of torn dash. A heap of torn what? What is this? See the pictures. What type of pictures are here? Bits of what? Paper. Gobbled of paper. 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 He soaked up some dash. He soaked up some. Here is one picture is here. That is your cobweb. 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 And he ate of some toffee. Toffee what? Toffee. This is your toffee what? Toffee what? See the pictures. What is the pictures? That is your wrappers. 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 Next. In the end, he swallowed Tara's dash. In the end, he swallowed Tara's. What a picture is here? Teeny Teddy. Teeny Teddy. TINYTEDDY. Teeny Teddy. Tara locked him off in a dark dash under the dash. Tara locked him up in a. See the picture. This picture is your cupboard. 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 Next, under the dash. Under the. What is this? What is this picture's name? It is your stairs. A-I-R-S. So all of you complete A. Now we will do B. Complete the following sentence. What was Tara's favorite toy? What was Tara's favorite toy? It was teeny teddy bear. It was teeny teddy bear. Okay. Now number 2. Tara locked up Clinny because, why Tara locked up Clinny? Because she wanted to punish him. Because she wanted to punish him. She wanted to punish him. Okay, all of you write. Now all of you take out your literature book, open page number 51. Now we will do our bookwork D. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. Here is the box. Here is how many words are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 words are here and 6 blanks are here. We will put the words, correct word in the blanks. Okay, let us start. Don't dash the playground. Don't dash the playground. What we will write? Litter. L-I-T-T-E-R. So first word is over. Now how many words are here? 5 words. You must always keep the place dash. You always keep the place what? Clean. Number 2. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Next. Take care not to dash. Not to spill. Number 3. Spill. S-P-I-L-L. Spill. Then water on the floor of your classroom in case you need to dash, in case you need to tear, tear some papers, dash the pieces in a bin, drop the pieces, drop, D-R-O-P, drop the pieces in a bin. Don't dash your bag on the floor. It will become dirty. Don't drag. D-R-A-G. Don't drag your bag on the floor. It will become dirty. Okay. All of you complete bookwork D. Now come to E. Add vowels to complete the following words from the story. Now tell me students, how many vowels in there? How many alphabets are there? Yes, 26. In 26, how many vowels are there? 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, 5 vowels are here. We will use these vowels and write the correct word. Okay, here first word is your B-S-C-T. Then we will add vowels B-I-S, C-U-I-T. Biscuit. Okay, next H-L-L-W. Then H-O is your vowel. O-L-L. Then again O. Hello. Okay, next T-M-M-Y. Then which vowel we will write? U. T-U-M-M-Y. All these words from your story. Next G-L-P. G-U-L-P. G-U-L-P. Next B-C-K-T-S. What we will add? B-U-C-K-E-T-S. Buckets. Next B-R-M-S. B-R-O-O-M-S. Brooms. Then P-N-S-H. P-U-N-I-S-H. Punish. Okay. Next come to B-S-C-T. Then B-I-S CUIT, biscuit. MSS, what we will write? MESS, mess. Then CLSS, that is your class. CLASS, class. Okay? Call. Now, all of you complete your bookwork D and E. Today we will complete bookwork A, B, D and E. So all of you please read at your home and do it in your copy. Till then, stay safe. Have a nice day.